Yes guys, it's another ganap na naman namin ngayon kasi matutulog na kami. But before that, kami matulog, gusto niya magpaputol ng buhok. Say hi, I want to cut my hair. Say hi.
No, cut! Mashallah!
Isa with the head.
No, not big.
Oh my god.
No, cut.
Ante, pero I don't know how to do it. Wait. Hindi siya magpaputol. Magpastipid siya sa buhok. Where are you going? Kalimanding daw ning oh sige yala habibi sit lang. Mashallah, ano ka tading yung gamit? Nice yung gamit ha. Tagano na ko para magwapo yung hair.
I don't know what to do.
I mean, I put too much because your hair can be nice. Why it smells like this?
Clean.
Huh?
Clean.
OMG. Ang buhok niya kasi guys is always falling down. That's why. Isang tipiro na to. So, this is a cream for the hair. Vitamin A, lotion, and G. Seed. G nga jar. Casanova. Ayan guys. So, gamitin nyo to kay nindot ni nga product. Actually, murag dira ni siya bay. Paano siya yung palit sa uban? Ayan. Look at that.